So, mo explain pa ka. Okay. So our camels are from Australia, sir. So we have one hump camels or called as the dromedary. So mo na siya ang male. Then katong naa sa Picas cage, mo na siya ang female. So pregnant na pud ang among female. Then lang diet there is napier grass and also pellets. So inside their humps are not water but fatty tissues which serves as their protection from the direct heat of the sunlight. That's why makasurvive po sila longer sa desert because ilang fats is makonvert into water. Mm-mm. Okay, and kana sila sir, those are the miniature horses. So they are the breed of dwarf horses from Australia. And those animals also are considered as friendly and gentle kinds of animals. Then pwede na sila mahikap. Mm-mm.
Pili po no?
Female na siya sir, then pregnant, 5 years old.
Kanin doon.
So we also have kani, mo ni ang male. Basta lang among male.
Kena, wala?
Wala sir.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yes,
okay.
sige.